Hey guys, it's Juice Week. So the new Beetlejuice movie is coming out this Friday. Why not celebrate by having a juicy good time all week long? You know, Juice Week.
Breakfast orange.
Today we're focusing on the art of product design with a refreshing twist. Orange juice. Using a mock-up of a juice bottle I found online, I start by quickly customizing the label design. Now, it wouldn't be an orange juice ad if we didn't actually have some oranges, so let's add those in. And no trendy beverage ad is complete without some vibrant liquid swirls, right? Luckily, I found some 3D renders from Envato Elements that will work just fine. I just need to make some color adjustments. I'll refine the colors as I go, but for now, I'm just focused on getting everything in the right place before diving into the finer details. And let's throw in another slice of orange for good measure. Now, these splash elements look more like paint than juice, so I'm going to fix that by manually painting in highlights and shadows, as well as adjusting the color grading. And I almost forgot to give the orange slices that same lighting treatment. While past me is busy doing that, let present me take a moment to tell you about something exciting coming up this week. Now, you heard about Juice Week, right? I'll be bringing Bound Sweet to life in my Gotta Make 'Em All series. And then on Friday, I'll be designing a poster for the highly anticipated Beetlejuice sequel. If you're excited for Juice Week and want to see more of my design process, be sure to come back. Now, the rest of the scene still needs a few more tweaks, like adding shadows and a bit of condensation on the bottle. Now, for the final touch to really make this look like orange juice, we need to reduce the opacity. Orange juice is more translucent than paint, or whatever this liquid was meant to represent, so I can achieve this effect by masking out areas with a soft brush set to around 30% opacity. Then, with the brush at 100% opacity, I go back and paint in areas where the liquid is thicker, like around the edges. Thin juice equals transparent, thick juice equals opaque. And there you have it, a vibrant, refreshing orange juice ad brought to life. I hope you enjoyed following along with the process, and if you did, let me know of similar things that you might like to see in the future. Hey, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.